One. In this video, we are going to discuss about double circular linked list in data structures. So in this, I'm going to discuss what is meant by a double circular linked list, different abstract data types like create, display, insert, delete, and search. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss only about display function. Create function, I already discussed in the previous video. So please watch it before watching this video. Remaining insert, delete, and search, I will discuss in the upcoming videos. So now let us see what is meant by a double circular linked list. So in a double circular linked list, in a particular node, there will be total 3 number of fields. The first field represents the address, which stores the address of this previous corresponding node. The second field, which is the data field, it acts as an input variable. It can be of any format like integer, string, character, etc. The third field is also the address field, which stores the address of the next corresponding node. So in the circular linked list, for the last node, the next link corresponds to the starting node, whereas starting node, previous link, corresponds to the last node. So now let us look at the definition of a double circular linked list. A circular doubly linked list is a type of linked list where each node is connected to both its previous and next nodes, and the last node links back to the first node. This structure allows for efficient bidirectional traversal and looping through the list. So this is the definition of the double circular linked list. Now let us see the abstract data types. So create function I already discussed in the previous video. In this video I am going to explain only about display function, how displaying the elements, what's in the double circular linked list. So initially, if the start is null, we will print that the list is empty. So if start is not equal to null, we will have a temporary variable called temp. It corresponds to the starting node. Then we will print the starting node and traverse the temp to its next corresponding node. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. So this is the logic for traversing the temp. So we will repeat this entire process until the temporary variable again reaches to the starting element. So this is the process of a display function. So let us understand clearly with the help of an example. Let us consider we have a double circular linked list of 4 elements 10, 30, 20, and 60. So here start corresponds to the starting element which is 10, and last corresponds to the last element which is 60. Here start and last are the pointer variables. So here start is not equal to null. So list is not empty. So we will have a temporary variable temp which corresponds to the starting element. Temp is equal to start. And then we will print the element which is 10. So after printing the element, we will traverse the temp. That is temp is equal to temp of nlink. So now temp will be at the second node which is 30. So we will print the element and then traverse the temp. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. So now temp will be at the third node which is 20, and then we will print the node. We will print the element. So after that again we will repeat the same process. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. So now temp will be at the node 60. Again we will print that particular node. Again we will traverse the temp. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. So again temp reaches to the starting node. So here temp is equal to start. So here the loop completely ends. So this is the process of displaying the elements in a double circular linked list. Now let us write a C program of how display function works. initially we defined the structure with dblcrl. It consists of three fields. The first field is plink, which denotes previous link. The second field is a data variable, int data. It is of integer format. And the third field is the structure. I mean again nlink, which corresponds to the next node. So initially the start is null, and there are also other two pointer variables, which is last and temp. So the create function. So we define the function void create void display. Here void create I already explained in the previous video. So if you want to watch, please watch it. So coming to the display function, if start is equal to null, we will print that the list is empty and again return the function. So in the provided example, the start is not equal to null. So here temp is a pointer temporary variable which corresponds to the starting node. So here we use a do while loop. In the do while loop, first we will print the data which is temp of data, and then again move this temporary variable. Temp is equal to temp of nlink. This do while loop works until the temp is again reached to the starting element. So this is how this display function works. So this is the C program for double circular linked list. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this double circular linked list, or if you want to provide any feedback, please comment below. Thank you for watching.